Okay, now that you're cooking on those shell voicings, it's time to go a little further with the chord voicings, and let's go to some seventh chord voicings in the right hand, and we'll still do the roots in the left hand. Let's get started. So again, if you always just think of the shell when you're playing these chords, it'll help you. So you already learned the shell, so you can easily find that, and then you can just place the other notes around it. So we have D minor 7. Here's your shell. Here's the root in the fifth that we left out before. Okay. So we're going to play D minor 7 first. And then we play G7. So these two notes come down. These two stay the same. Now these two notes go down and this one goes down fifth. These stay the same. Take your shell and move it down a half step. The third and the seventh go down a half step, and now we have a C minor 7. So we're going to play C minor 7. Bring the top two notes down. F7. B flat major 7. B flat minor 7. E flat 7. A flat major 7. A flat minor 7. D flat 7. G flat major 7. We're going to call this F sharp minor 7. F sharp minor 7. B7. E major 7, E minor 7, A7, D major 7, D minor 7, G7, C major 7. Let's take it through the other 6 keys. So we're going to first start with E flat minor 7, E flat minor 7, A flat 7, D flat major 7, C sharp minor 7, F sharp 7, B major 7, B minor 7, E7, A major 7, A minor 7, D7, G major 7, G minor 7, C7, F major 7, F minor 7, B flat 7, E flat major 7, E flat minor 7, A flat 7, D flat major 7. Okay, practice those until you're comfortable with them, and you can move pretty quickly through them, like and then the goal is just to be able to whip through those. And when you can do that, look at the next video, because I'm going to show you how to get rid of that root in the right hand and play a rootless ninth voicing. It's really, really pretty. Keep working at it. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.